Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? You can see your Hedera Hashgraph will get a prop at 10.95%. The price is pumps up. Wow, my goodness, can you believe this huge pump? I can't expect this, my friend, from Hedera Hashgraph, but definitely this is reality. As you can see here, the highest price in the current price, there is no big differences, my friend, in the prices, and absolutely the coin is completely on the prawning. So therefore, the holder are very appreciated now, my friend. I also, because my brother, I'm also holder now, my friend. The very huge pump is coming soon, very huge pump is coming soon. I told you, my friend, the very huge pump is coming soon, because as you can see, this chart is clearly told you to the very huge pump is coming soon. Because after fails, I told you every video, my name and my every content, to after a fails every coin will pumps up. So why you not understand this? Tell me. After a fails every coin will pumps up. So this time you can see your Hedera Hashgraph will also get a very good profit, and I hope they will recover this loss. Now you can see here, first of all, they will moving upward to, they will recover this lost, and after that they will give you a profit. You can say minus 2.15%, in last 7 days the price will fails down. So that's mean to the resistance line is clearly told you, my friend, today will this time need to more increase now. So holders, absolutely they will increasing, but don't worry, my friend, if they were temporarily fails down. So this does not mean to they will permanently fails down. Absolutely they will fails down for a short time, and after that they will get a very good profit. So I hope, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph will get a very good profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.